I have taken time to create this 9-step blogging series, which is basically a series of 9 videos which should provide you with exactly 9 steps that you should follow if you want or are thinking of starting a blog. And this is the only blogging guide that you need if you want to start, grow, and scale your blog into a money generating asset. And this is especially true if you're a beginner in blogging or you have no experience when it comes to blogging. Blogging is a very important thing, and you can be able to leverage the power of blog written content to be able to monetize your skills, your expertise, your knowledge, your passions, your hobbies, or your life experiences. You can be able to actually turn that content that you are writing on your blog or on your website into an income generating asset, and in the long term you can actually use it to be able to acquire or be able to get time, location, and financial freedom. I have been blogging for a while now, and I actually do like creating blog content. And one of the questions that I get from the people who actually want to get involved into this particular kind of a thing is, how do I actually start a blog? And that's why this series exists. It's supposed to give you a step-by-step guide with 9 specific steps that you can follow or that you can think about if you want to start your blog. And you can start a blog across various topics or various niches, and you need to be able to be clear on why you want to start that blog, which is actually going to be one of the first videos that you're going to watch next. And so this is what I want you to do. I want you to watch each of the videos that I'm going to cover in this particular series. And I want you to be intentional when it comes to seeking to understand what each step actually entails and what you're supposed to do when it comes to starting your blog. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask, and you can ask your question by writing it in the comment section below. And as you start on this particular series, here are the 2 things that I want you to do today. The first one is that I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you do not miss any of the videos that I'll be publishing on this particular series. And the second thing I want you to do is to watch the video that is coming next, which is actually going to cover one of the most important steps when it comes to starting your blog, and that is being able to know your reason or your why of starting your blog.